the past, so the concept, not only in our industry, but also in a lot of industries, has been higher, faster, not so much focusing on the protection of resources. I believe that the industry overall is changing, looking more and more into sustainable solutions. And of course, with the ideas and the solutions we are providing, we try to support that development as well. We have just this one planet, and we have the resources in that planet, and we should ensure that we have a circle of that utilization of the resources of that planet. SSI Schaefer has been founded in 1937 and is acting in the field of intralogistics, coming from conventional box production, shelf racking production, but now covering the entire field of logistics solutions, including automation, software, as well as hardware.
We try to fulfill all customer requirements and to provide them with sustainable, reliable solutions in intralogistics. Everything starts with the development of branch-specific solutions, and in the second step we develop or update our products, and they have to fulfill the tasks in between the solution. This order, first solution and then the product, and not the other way around, this is the sustainable approach. It is our mission to be a long-term partner for our customers, to pursue their economic and sustainable goals together with them.
So we have been collaborating with SSI Schaefer for about 2 years now in developing new vertical farming systems which are highly automated. So the choice with SSI Schaefer was quite clear for us because they had the technology platform, both the physical one in the form of storage and retrieval mechanical systems, but also the right software in order for us to integrate our own software solutions.
Digitalization overall plays a central role in the way how we act as consumers. The handling of data plays a central role, how we do projects and how we also support our customers in making their projects more efficient and at the end less energy consuming.
Digitalization brought for our work and agriculture in general a new wave of options and possibilities. We can build farms which are closer to cities, highly automated, and make cities more self-sufficient in their food production. So cutting down the chain of supply dramatically.
We rely on committed overall layouts with balanced performances, with flexibility and with high quality. Our wide product range helps us, which also includes not only products for automation, but also returnable containers, green buildings, and reactive and preventive maintenance.
With 70 years of experience, Pepper & Fuchs is a third-generation, family-owned leader in the design and manufacture of products for the industrial and process automation market segments. Our real principles and guiding missions are to provide high-quality, innovative solutions to the sensing and control markets. Innovative approach really lays a foundation to the digital evolution that P&F is ongoing.
Pepper & Fuchs had a first-hand experience what effects global warming has on businesses. Late 2017, during Hurricane Harvey, a tornado crossed the building and tore a part of the roof off. As a result of that, a large share of the newly installed system had to be recycled and replaced in a second step. Due to the preventive maintenance solution and the energy-efficient products installed by SSI Schaefer, Pepper & Fuchs has a reliable, modern and sustainable solution. A high-speed logistics and a nearly perfect delivery quality are core parts of the strategy of our global supply chain management. We felt like we are only able to do that if we have an innovative partner implementing also our innovative products. SSI Schaefer is our system integrator and sustainability partner. With the smart conveyor design and system layout, we are able to reduce our footprint.
The only way that we can achieve sustainable success is through automation and technology.
So the UN predicts that we will need 2 extra planets to feed the growing population in the next 30 years. That means we need to increase our space usage efficiency dramatically if we want to feed the growing population. With Inform's technologies and SSI Schaefer's technologies, we're coming together to create a solution that is up to 400 times more efficient compared to traditional farmland. So on a 25 square meter footprint, we're able to produce the equivalent of almost 2 acres of farmland. And this is a huge efficiency boost that we need in order to feed the growing population.
Orca is the Philippines' first ever fully automated cold chain facility. We can prolong the quality of food products by our clients. And with this, our clients can ensure food safety and food security for their consumers. Food safety and food security is our topmost priority. Up to 37% of the food that is manufactured globally is lost due to poor packing, poor storage, or poor handling, thus weakening our preparedness for events that are unforeseen. And with that, we want to make sure that there is minimal human interaction whatsoever. Given the current situation with the COVID pandemic, before, when automation was seen as a high-level need, it has now become an essential need. With a typical conventional facility, through a 24-hour operation, we can usually provide an output of around 200 pallets. And through automation and the innovation of Schaefer Philippines, with that we were able to produce close to 4,800 pallets on a single day. The Philippines has one of the highest electricity costs in the region. We were able to cut down our electricity costs by close to 35%, and thus making it more sustainable to run the business.
Sustainability is a crucial element in today's world, probably with any sector. But with agriculture being responsible for so much of the greenhouse gas emissions in the world, for so much of the catastrophes that we see today, this is definitely one of the most important things humanity needs to do. Without agriculture, everything else collapses. Our farms use 95% less water, 75% less fertilizer. We have completely eradicated the use of chemical pesticides, so our produce is free and clean to eat. And we have removed the lengthy supply chain, allowing us to cut 99% of transportation from what the traditional 3,000 kilometer vegetables travel to 50 or almost 0 at some cases.
We are looking into sustainability for years. It's basically part of our DNA. Providing those kind of solutions like green building technologies, that means we try to discuss with our customers and all the partners that are involved in such a project on what can be done not only to deliver the logistic result, but also what can be done to save energy, to save resources in such a project. We try to ensure that as much people as possible have access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, modern energy. And we as SSI Schaefer look, let's say, in a proactive way in providing those kind of answers to our customers.